Hi. Canvas number 2 of the Destash. I have Distracted by Diamond. This canvas is just distracted by diamonds. It is the Bahama Mama. Yes, it is. Okay, let me make sure I write down whatever I promise you. Bahama Mama. Let's take a look at what is inside this beauty, shall we? Right. Let's take a look. I do have a sleeve I can wrap it in, but there's no sleeve. Okay. There is the company name. This looks like a tiki. It has 48 colors, and I do not see any special drills. This canvas was given to me to Destash, and there is a round, and there is no special drill. I will take suggestions on what special drill you would like. And it's already kitted up. See the baggies? So all you do when you get it, take your drill, pour it in a little tray, and then you're good to go. So here is a better picture. It looks pretty cool. Distracted by Diamonds LLC is a different kind of diamond painting company. With the help of my experienced production team, amazing project manager, and ever vigilant licensing experts, we strive to bring you special paintings with artwork that is hand chosen and responsibly sourced. We have value diversity, inclusivity, and the right of the artist. Purchasing artwork is expensive, but knowing that our paintings are legal and ethical is priceless. We believe that you feel the same way. We strive to bring you fresh new art, as well as exposing you to the world of old masters classic. Our goal is to provide you with art that, when completed, you will be proud to display in your home or give as a very special gift. Please visit my Etsy shop where you will find, along with my paintings, handcrafted and scented diamond painting waxes and fun accessories to enhance your painting experience. She's pattywax.etsy.com. Relax and enjoy creating your new masterpiece. Robin Kidwell. Proprietor and inventor. So these are stickers, okay? And there are no funky codes. It's letters. It's all letters. And then you got 4 symbols at the end, a number sign, a percentage sign, an equal sign, a question mark. Oh, there is numbers. There's numbers at the top. So I will make a copy just so that in transit, you will have an accurate legend. So let's take a look at this. Let's check the stick. Oh, the stick is amazing. It's from Corey Smith, is the artist, 2022. So for the age, the canvas is beautiful. So I'm not going to be pulling up any plastic, but there's your image. I checked the corners. It's all good. Now, to bling, you might want to bling the hat, maybe. or maybe the sun rays, or the fish. You let me know, or maybe the flowers down here. You let me know if you even want to bling any of it up. This will be your masterpiece. So you let me know, and I will see if I have something to bling it with. Just maybe the island. There's an island here and an island there. That might be neat to bling up. The trees, maybe do the black all in ABs on the island. I have enough for that. So let me know what you think. What would you bling up? What would you bling up? So make me an offer plus shipping, and it will be on the way to you. And I will put it in a sleeve. And let me know if you want fairy dust or dreamer dust or ABs. Let me know. You must let me know because I'm not sure. I mean, I might just give you some white for the flowers and wherever. Well, you don't want, well, you could floss her, make her mouth kind of glow, ABs. Or maybe you could do glow in the dark around the circle of the sun. Do you see the sun? I don't know if I have enough glow in the dark, but we could definitely check. So yeah, let me know. I find the glow in the dark, if it's not constantly under light, then it's just going to look like a white drill. That's my opinion. I'm probably, you know me. So, but it's scalloped and poked, so it shouldn't fray, and I'm not seeing any fraying. For a 2022 canvas, this is in great shape. I think this is the oldest canvas I've ever opened. So you guys can let me know, have you ever opened an older canvas and had an issue with glue or anything? The plastic is thin, but the glue is fantastic. The glue is fantastic. So artist again, Corey Smith, Bahama Mama, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. You let me know what color you would bling up. Yep, let me know in the comments or in an email. What color would you bling up? Because there is no bling. No bling. Nope, nope, nope. All right. I'm Pampered with Diamonds. Let me know. This can be yours. Everyone have a wonderful day. Bye and be kind.